Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to turn on audience controls on TikTok, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. Pick up your Android device and open the TikTok app. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to make this change. Step 2. Once you're inside TikTok, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner and tap on them to open the menu. Step 3. From the menu that appears, scroll down until you find an option labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to access more settings. Step 4. In the Settings menu, keep scrolling until you see the Audience Controls option. Once you find it, tap on it to open the menu. Step 5. Within this menu, you'll notice an option labeled Age 18 and Older. This option is currently disabled by default. Simply tap on the toggle switch next to it to enable the feature. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.